How to add live chats on Google Sites. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to a website called Talk2. It's tawk.to and hit enter. Now you'll be redirected to this website where you have an option to add different kinds of widgets to your websites. And it's completely for free. So you'll get a chatbot, something like this, where you can reply to your chats. Now go to products and you'll see the live chats option. Just go ahead and click on it. So I'm going to go to live chat. And once you get to this page, you're going to have to sign up first. So if you don't have an account, click on sign up for free. So we're going to do this together. First, enter your name, email, and then your password. Once you have entered all of the details, click on sign up for free. Once you do that, you'll be taken directly to the dashboard. And from here, you're going to have to create a live chat widget. So click on live chat and then get the address of your website. So what you're going to do is first publish it. And then from here, you can enter your web address. Now click on publish and you are going to have to view your published site. So click on view published site. Get this URL right here. Then go to this talk2 and then paste the URL. Click on next. It says invalid URL, but you need to be published. So click on next here. And then from here, you can click on next again. Now you can choose the message and customize it. I'm not going to do any of that. Keep tapping next and then click on verify. Here your widget is ready. All you have to do is copy the script, go to your website, and then from here go to embed. Now go to embed code and paste the code right here. Click on next. It will show you a preview of how it's going to look. So just go ahead and click on insert. It's going to look something like this on your website. Now obviously it's very big, so you don't want to take up all of this space. You can just adjust its size, something like this. And once you do that, once you've adjusted its size, you can just move it down wherever you want. So let's say if I want to move it to the bottom of my screen, I'm just going to go here and then paste it right here. So that's how you basically add a live chat widget on your Google site. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.